Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost detection tools in Roblox. Many Roblox experiences feature paranormal investigations, and understanding your equipment is key. You will typically find these specialized devices available in a game's shop or as part of your initial inventory. These tools are designed to help you pinpoint the presence of unseen entities, making your ghost hunting adventures more successful and exciting. Once you have your ghost detection tool, the next step is to equip it. Simply open your inventory or hotbar and select the device. To activate it, you will usually click your mouse or press a specific button, depending on the game's controls. Look for initial indicators, like a gentle glow or a low, steady hum, which confirm your device is powered on and ready to scan for paranormal activity. Interpreting your device's signals is crucial for successful ghost hunting. Listen for changes in sound, such as a consistent beeping that grows more rapid, or observe visual cues like a light intensifying. These changes usually mean you are getting closer to a ghost. Some advanced tools might even display different colors, like a red glow for an active spirit or a blue light for player ghost, providing valuable information. To master ghost encounters, move deliberately through the environment, sweeping your detection tool across all areas. Effective communication with your team is vital. Share any signal changes you observe to coordinate your search. Always be ready to react swiftly when your device indicates a strong ghost presence, as this often means an encounter is imminent. With practice, you will become a skilled paranormal investigator in any Roblox game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.